tattoo. He didn't know what this shit meant. He didn't know what this shit meant right here. Explain to him what this shit means. Tell him on that side. Tell him. This is dope as shit. That's how you love to make it. I didn't know that shit. You don't want it? He borderline. He's so good. Look, you can tell.
All right. You know what time it is. It is time for another basketball game here in Carson City. This is the main event of our 4-game lineup. Palos Verdes Lodge going up against Team Hawks. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. Together with our referees, referee Vince Camper and referee Marcus Reed as we start the official tip-off. And yes, we start this ball game up with our committees, Stacy Valdez and Aki Valdez. Palos Verdes starting with Ariel Debedor, Ariel Bagtas, John Lazaro, YouTube, and De Belen. As for Team Hawks, Valdez, Musti, Ferrer. And the first basket came from YouTube, Santiago as well. And quick answer from Team Hawks with a 3-point shot from Valdez. Debedor keeping it alive. YouTube thought about it, takes it closer, and YouTube will be fouled by Santiago. That is Kamantige, di ba? Kamantige, di ba? Yes, Kamantige. Rounding up the lineup for Team Hawks, and YouTube will shoot 2, as that is in the act of shooting. Remember, Team Hawks are still undefeated in this tournament, so this is going to be a tall task against Team Palos Verdes. And they are now up 5-3. Valdez. They're playing against a taller Palos Verdes team. De Belen and Lazaro. And YouTube are manning the front court. Corner, too strong. Lazaro kicks it out to Debedor. Outlet pass, Santiago using the board. No luck for him. Bagtas, he's a spot-up shooter. Back rim, gets his own miss. They tap it away, it will go to Ferrer. Ferrer, transition offense, crossover, pickpocket from Lazaro. Lazaro to Bagtas. Bagtas, he's deadly from the perimeter, 7-3, and the crowd cheering their hearts out. Musni against YouTube. Valdez trying to use the screen. Will pull the trigger, and Valdez makes it. Cutting the lead down to 7-6. 2 3-point shot coming from Valdez, who has been warmed up already in this ball game. Lazaro stolen away. Santiago, 3-on-1 situation. Santiago will go all the way, and now they're up 8-7. Another turnover. Ferrer, run and gun offense. This has been the bread and butter of Team Hawks. And now they extend the lead to 3, 10-7. And now they will use the half-court set. For Team Palos Verdes, their advantage is their ceiling height, you know. They have Lazaro, they have YouTube, they have De Belen. So let's see if they can capitalize on that. However, for Team Hawks, their run and gun offense, fast break transition, has been so far unblemished in this tournament. Well, it's going to be interesting, no? Both teams, San Diego and Team Hawks, are undefeated. They will face off each other next week, so it's going to be an interesting matchup. But if Palos Verdes prevails, they will be the first team to beat Team Hawks. Bebedor looking for his options. YouTube using his left hand, upper body control balance shot there by YouTube. Smart play from YouTube. Strategizing Valdez. Almost stolen away. Santiago bumping and grinding. And Santiago will convert, making it a 3-point lead, 12-9. Well, for Team Hawks, they use their fast break offense, high intensity, run and gun. Let's see if they can control the tempo. YouTube controlling the board. 4-on-2 situation. Back to YouTube. YouTube squeezes himself, and foul will be called against Camantique. And he will go to the line for YouTube. Second shot, sir. Second shot. Second shot. YouTube, a chance for them to cut away the lead. Arcadio in the ball game, replacing Bagtas. For Palos Verdes, they have already won a game against Torrance University. YouTube making it a 2-point lead. Substitution, Magtoto for Lazaro. Well, this is now a tall lineup for Palos Verdes Large. This is going to be a tall task for Team Hawks. YouTube cutting the play away. Top of the key jumper, front rim, Musni, their leading scorer from last game. Valdez fires away, gets his own miss. Waiting for his teammates. Man-to-man defense now being applied. Musni steps back, way off the mark. De Belen saves it. Well, this is one of the key points for Palos Verdes. They have the height advantage. They need to use it on their side. Magtoto, battle for the loose ball. It will go to Valdez. Valdez on the run. Valdez, he sees no numbers. Waits for his teammates. Cross court, Musni against Debedor. Blocked by De Belen. Debedor. Now this is their version of the run and gun offense. Debedor using the board. We are tied at 12. Bumping and grinding. YouTube. Now they're in the driver's seat, 14-12. But remember, for Team Hawks, able to deflect his defender. Crossover. Quick first step for Musni. Magtoto absorbs the rebound. Debedor waiting for his teammates. But remember, Fernandez is not yet in the ball game. They're managed Ginobili. Quick release from Magtoto. Now it's a 4-point lead. Calmly and poised, Team Hawks. They have been in this situation several times already in this tournament. They know what to do. Let's see if they can climb back. And Valdez knocking it down cold-blooded. 16-15. Palos Verdes still up by 1. Well, they need to watch out for Valdez and Fernandez for Team Hawks, no? Those are their leading scorers together with Musni as well. Debedor. Half-court set. Finding the cut from Magtoto. And again, run and gun offense. Give and go. Musni, Valdez. Valdez fires away. And Valdez, that's his 4th 3-point shot for Valdez. And now they're up by 2, 18-16. As they say, the 3-point shot is the great equalizer. So despite the field goals of Palos Verdes, the three-point barrage of Team Hawks, keeping them at bay. Reverse for Santiago. High-octane offense here. YouTube, one-on-one and blocked from behind. Good timing there from Santiago. Musni smells blood and good ball fake, and Musni able to escape from the defense. Wonderful play from Musni. Timeout will be called by Palos Verdes. Team Hawks roaring and soaring, 20-18 against Palos Verdes. We'll be right back after this timeout. Back to the action. If you have just tuned in, Palos Verdes was able to mount a lead as high as 6 points, but the three-point shooting of Valdez and the fast break transition of Musni has led them to a 2-point lead. Team Hawks now up 20-18 against Palos Verdes. Well, for Palos Verdes, they need to control the tempo of this game. They have the height advantage. They can control the boards. They can use the half-court set. As for Team Hawks, they need to keep on draining those three-point shots and those fast breaks from Musni and Ferrer. Magtoto makes his first basket. Well, this is a contrast of team strengths because Palos Verdes relying on their tall lineup, while for Team Hawks, their fast break offense. Here comes Fernandez. This guy is a streak shooter, a slasher, and both ends of the floor, he can light it up. And Camantigue, too strong on his corner shot. And Santiago, full court pressure, and here comes Fernandez. Fernandez kicks it out to Valdez. Valdez being tightly guarded by Lazaro. Man to man, kicks it out. Cross court to Musni, and Musni drills it. And that has been killing Palos Verdes, those three-point shots. But the Bedor lays it in. 23-21. Anybody's ball game at this point. Trading punches. Diving for the loose ball is Arcadio. Cross court again. Almost a steal. Valdez with a challenge. Lazaro decides to slow things down. And great defense there by Musni. Behind the back. Santiago. The defense just standing around. This time they were able to be aware with what's happening. Full court pressure now. Team Hawks. They were able to break that press. Fernandez. It hits the board. Can Palos Verdes be the one to slay the undefeated streak of Team Hawks? We shall all find out. Corner, De Belen. This is a big man lineup. Big boys of Palos Verdes. Valdez, however, fighting for that loose ball. Musni to Fernandez, and Fernandez touchdown. Making it a 4-point game, 25-21. Well, Palos Verdes should watch out for those run and gun offense of Team Hawks, no? It's gonna be unstoppable if you keep Fernandez running around from all cylinders, no? Follow up from De Belen. And of course, they need to challenge the three-point shooting of Valdez as well. Corner, Musni. Elbow, too strong. Lazaro. Of course, for Team Hawks, they're protecting their undefeated streak. Especially with that matchup with San Diego, it will give them some edge. But for Palos Verdes, if they win this ball game, it's going to be a huge ego buster for them. If they have slain Team Hawks, we shall find out. 6 minutes and 46 remaining. Fernandez or Camantigue finds Musni at the corner against Magtoto. They swing that ball around. Fernandez, way off the mark. He has been offline so far for Fernandez. But we know Fernandez, he can come up with those slashing abilities. Magtoto, short. Musni, showing us his dribbling ability. Fernandez comes up empty. We are tied at 25. And Fernandez will deliver the goods. 27 to 25. Lazaro able to escape that full court pressure. Magtoto against two defenders. Rojas, no look pass to Magtoto. De Belen. They throw it. And Magtoto using his muscles to keep the ball alive. Substitution. Magtoto will shoot two shots. In the ball game is Paul Morales. Second shot. Gotta remove the earrings, Sir Paul. This is the first shot.
Number 10.
Substitution. De Belen. YouTube will check in.
1 minute.
Magtoto will try to split his charities. And he does. Finally, Paul Morales is in the ball game. Musni being their court general for today. Valdez will try to knock it down. This time he is offline.
Wait!
Morales, double dribble. Team Hawks still up 27 to 26. Crossover, steps back, rattles out. Santiago, offensive board. Camantigue, ball movement. Camantigue launches, hits all board. Now, Palos Verdes, a chance for them to take the lead. What will Team Hawks do here? Vince Rojas. Fernandez. They got numbers. Fernandez. Speed and quickness. And that was the left layup from Fernandez. Dazzling us with his magnificent move. Fernandez. Rojas. Directing traffic. No opening. Morales. Lazaro, back to the post. Battle for loose ball. YouTube. Calmly sinking it in. 30 to 29. Palos Verdes now up by 1. Valdez against Rojas. Camantigue. Pressure defense from Morales. Musni able to escape. Steps back. And what a beautiful move from Musni. 31-30. The veteran move from Musni as he was able to escape the defense by squeezing himself and pulls back. And 10 seconds violation as the pressure of Santiago paying off some dividends. 31-32 minutes and 9. High-low play. Santiago. No shooter's bounce. Valdez. Back to Santiago. Santiago power dribble. And finally it crawls in. Timeout Palos Verdes.
Ilang minutes?
1 minute and 54. What an exciting ball game so far. We'll be right back after this timeout. Back to the action. You are watching the Interlodge Basketball League powered by the so-called Ballers. Our score, Team Hawks 33, Palos Verdes 30. On this beautiful Sunday morning here, Santiago with a breakaway, and Santiago scores 35-30. Pump fake gets his man off the end, Debedor. And again, fast break opportunity missed there. Debedor, a chance for them to cut the lead. Hit sport. And
Number 45 score.
Musni is down. Hopefully he is okay for Musni. He's down on the floor. He got hit at the back of the head. It was unintentional though, so we'll be right back after these few reminders.
Time out. Commercial.
Sub!
Fall.
And we are back. We are glad that Musni is okay. So all part of the ball game. Foul will be slapped against YouTube. So physicality is part of the game, and it was unintentional. And Musni retaliates with a 3-point shot, making sure that he knocks it down. YouTube, vengeance, nope. Pulls down the board. Valdez on the run, using the screen from Ferrer. No opening. We'll try to hit back-to-back. Musni! Hot-handed, cold-blooded for Musni. Back-to-back 3-point shot from Musni after that hit. Stolen away by Fernandez. And Fernandez.
Shot clock's off now.
Now they're roaring to a 13-point lead, Team Hawks. Behind the back-to-back 3-point shot of Musni.
Timeout. 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
White ball. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Musni, no look pass, and he has come alive here. And that's the end of the first half. Team Hawks up by 15 as Musni coming out alive and bringing the hammer down. We'll be right back after the first half.
Don't worry about halftime. Okay. 1 minute. Just put 1 minute so they can see it. 1 minute. It's white ball.
We start the second half. Team Hawks 45, Palos Verdes 30. In this beautiful Sunday morning here in Carson City. As what has happened there in the first half. Musni coming out alive, bringing the hammer down and roaring to a 15-point lead as he was able to hit back-to-back three-point shot and dishing those assists to his teammates. Well, he has come out alive here after he went down. But Palos Verdes just down by 13. Palos Verdes will retain possession here. Corner. Wide open for YouTube. They tap it away. Camantigue embracing that ball. Ferrer. Santiago making it underneath the basket. Well, good teamwork there for Team Hawks now. Sharing that ball, finding that extra pass. In possession, YouTube unable to capitalize. Valdez escaping the defense. Stops and pops. But Musni is there to get the board against a taller Magtoto. Steps back, gets the first quick step, and Musni drains it 50-32. Palos Verdes, suddenly they are stunned here after Musni has been delivering the blows. Defense! Crossover, Musni again creating some separation as he dishes those passes, and Santiago being the recipient. 52-34, 18-point lead now for Team Hawks. Well, suddenly the momentum is on the side of Team Hawks as this has been the Santiago show, taking over here in the second half. Well, it has been a total team effort, no? They are sharing that ball, finding that open man. Bagtas will re-enter the ball game. He was able to hit a perimeter shot a while ago. It's a 20-point lead. Team Hawks 54, Palos Verdes 34. They run the diamond play to cut away that zone. Santiago. Well, that's a beautiful ball movement.
White ball with the shot clock. 12. Didn't hit anything.
The shot clock will be reset as it didn't hit anything.
Set the shot clock. They hit the rim. Can't have 30 seconds because it's not 30.
Defense! We're defense!
Valdez will fire away, and he continues the onslaught. 57-34, 23-point lead, showing no signs of mercy here. Bagtas using the screen, it bounces off. Magtoto getting the shooter's bounce, making it a 21-point lead. Musni leading his squad, one-on-one, able to create some separation, some space. Camantigue, short. Debedor with the board. Bagtas, 3-on-2 situation. And hits that left side jumper. Dazzling again. Look at Musni. And it bounces off. Lazaro exploding to the basket. Baseline throw-in, a chance for Palos Verdes, and they will commit a turnover. Now, on the prowl is Team Hawks. Valdez. No one to bother him. Santiago with the reverse. Bagtas. Debedor. Debedor knocks it down. Their version of the three-point shot. Cutting the lead to 16. 57 to 41. Santiago slicing the defenders. And again, Santiago coming out alive here in the second half. Well, he has been the main scorer in the second half behind Musni and Valdez in the first half. YouTube on the attack, dribble drive, they tap it. Baseball pass, left wide open with the flush. Valdez making it again to a 20-point lead, 61-41. They are poised to make it against San Diego for the undefeated reign. Lazaro not giving it up easily here. 43 to 61. Oh, this is going to be an interesting matchup next week. If Team Hawks will be able to stand their ground and continue the punishment. Musni dancing around his opponent. Ferrer against Magtoto. Valdez with a fall away off balance shot. 2-on-1 situation. Lazaro. Alley-oop to Debedor. Cleans out the glass. A chance for them to make this basket. And using the board. Back to a 16-point lead. Kamantige.
11 in the air.
Foul will be called against Debedor. And free throws will be rewarded to Kamantige. Hip foul. He used the hip. Hips don't lie, according to Shakira, no? 45 to 61. So substitution. Hip check, as they say, hip check. And Kamantige was bothered by the crowd. Look at the crowd. And the crowd up on their feet, cheering and jeering. We love it. We love the energy out here. As it draws some inspiration for Palos Verdes. YouTube, coast to coast for YouTube. 61 to 47. Musni behind the back dribbling, crossover, uses the screen to Ferrer. Ferrer sees no opening against the double team. And he steps on the line. Golden opportunity for Team Palos Verdes to chip away the lead. Magtoto and miscommunication for Debedor. Substitution, Fernandez in the ball game. Fernandez has been quiet here. Substitution. Well, going back to Fernandez. Fernandez has been quiet here, but picking up the slack is Musni and Santiago. Valdez also making it rain from long distance. Crossover, can't shake off his defender. Valdez against De Belen using the screen against the double team, but picking it up is Fernandez. Fernandez will try his luck short. The energy from the crowd helping out Palos Verdes here. Can they convert? And Musni cutting away that play. Well, you gotta admire the energy from the sixth man of the crowd. Magtoto, 61 to 49. Now it's just a 12-point lead. They're knocking on the door. Will they creep in? Will they barge in? YouTube. Debedor. Bumping and grinding. Slowly but surely, Palos Verdes making a run. Can they make this a 10-point game? We shall see. Behind this free throw, this is the Interlodge Mason Team Hawks against Palos Verdes. He misses the first throw for Debedor. By the way, we have two Ariels here. Ariel Debedor and Ariel Bagtas. Musni. No look pass. Fernandez, still nothing. Bothered by the crowd and the defense. YouTube. Drop pass. De Belen. And look at the hustle play of Ferrer. Fernandez reverse. Nothing for Fernandez. Or rather that is Kamantige. Parehas kasi ng gupit eh. Parehas may long back eh. Baseline. Kamantige with the challenge from the Palos Verdes. 2-on-2. One-legged move. Making his move is YouTube, and he will earn it on the line. YouTube making it an 11-point game. The crowd jinxing. And again, foul will be slapped against Valdez. Valdez will be called for the foul. And Palos Verdes making a living in the free throw area. De Belen on the line. He misses. Oh, those are a lot of free throws being missed here by Palos Verdes. They could have already closed the gap to single digits if they have made at least half of those. Short, YouTube, lefty, jumper. They tap away, battle for the loose ball. It will go to Fernandez. YouTube, keeping it alive, left hand layup. And another free throw opportunity. Warning for Ferrer. Ferrer, 4 fouls for Ferrer. YouTube makes the first basket. Ferrer is in foul trouble. He has to be careful. They are undermanned. And now it's a single-digit ball game, 52-61.
Defense, defense!
Half-court set. Musni.
Defense, defense!
Corner. Fernandez will pull the trigger. YouTube. They will decide to use the half-court set. Attacking the lane. YouTube, pump fake. Turns around. Debedor misses, in and out. Still a lot of time stolen away by Debedor against Musni, one-on-one. And Musni standing his ground on the defensive stop using the screen. Musni against the double team. Can't escape. Forces the issue. Kicks it out to Valdez. Valdez! Bang, bang, bang for Valdez. 64-52, and he shuts down the crowd. 64-52, 12-point advantage. Magtoto. Battle for the loose ball. Debedor comes up short. Magtoto keeping it alive. Put back, second chance. Third try. YouTube bumping and grinding, and YouTube upper body strength for YouTube interior presence. 10-point game, 64-54. Musni being pressured by Debedor, able to escape the clutches of the defense, creating some space. Being hounded by the double team, and he dives for it. Arcadio taking it away. YouTube, 3-on-2 situation. YouTube, top of the key, and YouTube. And the crowd loving it. Look at the crowd jumping on their high grounds. What a ball game. 5 minutes and 10 64 to 57. What a high intensity matchup. Crossover. Valdez, fade away. Valdez again stops the bleeding. What a move from Derek Valdez there. Shutting the crowd twice in this ball game. They go at the post. Almost a steal. Magtoto. No go for him. He will have to earn it on the line. 4 minutes and 32 remaining. Second shot. Remember the second shot. 57 to 66. Every time that Palos Verdes makes a comeback, Valdez is there to save the day. Well, he has to be the veteran presence here for Team Hawks, as this is a young squad. And he's providing that leadership, that poise, that steady and calm presence that they need as a leader. Musni. Oh, stolen away by Debedor. Blocked by. What a crazy turn of events here. This is what basketball is all about. Pure intensity. Substitution. Santiago is in the ball game. 66 to 58. Just an 8-point lead. Magtoto, can he make it to a 6-point game? They tap it away. Fernandez, all alone, Santiago. Touchdown for Santiago. Makes it back to a 10-point game. What a ball game.
Timeout, okay?
Roller coaster.
Timeout.
Hindi ko magta-timeout. Hindi ako. Ako lang ang ano eh. From the elbow, turns around, Bagtas. 60 to 68. What a crazy turn of events. Team Hawks still up by 8. We'll be right back after this timeout. Hold on to your seats. This ain't over, folks.
Pasabi nga po, wala last time out na yun.
Team Palos Verdes, that's your last timeout. That's your last timeout, Palos Verdes. That's your last timeout. While for Team Hawks, how many? 2 timeouts left for Team Hawks. Musti with the separation, and Musti drains it. Ice in his veins against the pressure for Musti. That is clutch from Musti. Palos Verdes making a comeback, but Musti with the ruthless aggression. And Yuto keeping his team at bay. Musti, run and gun offense. Fernandez left wide open, decides to use the clock on their side. 3 seconds violation against Carl Santiago. Well, the opportunity keeps on coming for Team Palos Verdes. Can they capitalize? De Belen will be fouled by (62 to 71). De Belen on the line. And he misses. De Belen splits his charities 63 to 71. They need to make some stops because time is on the side of Team Hawks. They need to convert here. Fernandez strategizing, using the screen from Santiago behind the back dribbling. Against two defenders, look at the move from Fernandez and stolen away by Santiago.
Bola, bola.
And now it's a 75 to 63 12-point lead with 50 seconds left here.
Go. Ariel, press.
That was a quick conversion from Team Hawks behind Fernandez and Santiago. 3-on-1 situation. Valdez, nail in the coffin as he hits the dagger right at the heart of Palos Verdes.
Press.
And that should be over as Team Hawks will go undefeated in this tournament as they face San Diego next week. Oh, it's going to be a slobber knocker on our last day of the elimination round before we go to the playoffs. Team Hawks surviving against Palos Verdes, San Diego, and Team Hawks next week. Don't forget that matchup. Mark it on your calendars. This has been your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. We'll be right back next week, same YouTube channel. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man signing off. Thank you.
Ito, pumatay eh. Ito eh.